Hello students, in this video I am going to share some strategy about speak English just in 1 month. It is very easy. If you are going to follow, I am 100% sure you will get benefited. I will tell you with practical and scientific approach. What is that? I have shared this strategy with thousands of students and they got benefited by this method. So it is that first step, it is listening. Many of you have listened about that. Listening is the first step of learning any language. But how? These things, there are many ones they don't know a proper way. How to listen. I'm going to tell you. First step is that watch my videos on YouTube. You can watch my videos on YouTube 5 to 10 times. Why? The reason is that it is very simple in words in my speech. Whatever the language I am using, it is very easy to understand. Any students can understand very easily. Second is that no need to make notes. Why? Just because of when you watch any videos 5 to 10 times, after that you don't need to revise and make notes. Third one is that it is easy to understand. The words and sentences I'm using you can easily understand just because of it is very basic. I know very well you all are basic learners. That is why you are watching these videos. Next, children a story. You can watch on YouTube. Reason is that it is also easy to understand. Also, it is very basic. Next is that you will learn ethics and morality. Why? Just because of in children's book there are many stories. By this way you can learn ethics and morality. English talk or speech, just you have to follow celebrities of your country. Reason is that also it is easy to understand and you are known to them. You watch them at daily basis and you can watch them for a long time and you will not get bored. Second step is that learn base sentences. By base sentences that you can make thousands of sentences as you want. Example is that I want to. It is your base sentence. By this way you can make many of the sentences as much as you want. Example is that I want to go to market. Second is that I want to buy clothes. Third one is that I want to sell my phone. In this way that you can make thousands of sentences as much as you want. Second example is that would you like to. It is that when you offer someone then you use would you like to. Also it is your base sentences. By this way you can use would you like to join my class. Next is that would you like to learn English. Would you like to teach me. By this way also you can make thousands of sentences as much as you want. Got it? Third step is that learn daily use sentences. What is daily use sentences? Sentences is that you use at daily basis. Example is that hello, who is this? This is that when somebody is calling you and in first you pick up the call and after that you say hello, who is this? Next is that come with me. When you want somebody that come with you, then you say come with me. Third one is that don't disturb me. If somebody is teasing you, then you say don't disturb me. where are you coming from, means these all basic words you use at daily basis. So you have to learn these all sentences. I will provide this type of sentences. Fourth step is that start reading. But what you have to read? First one is that you have to read book class 2nd to 6th, just because of also it is basic in nature. Second is that you have to read novel. There are many novel you can study according to you. Example is that believe in yourself. It is self-help books, you can use that. Second one is that the power of positive thinking. Third step, you can follow newspaper. Newspaper is very important. Just because of that you use newspaper, there are many words, many sentences, many grammatical things you learned. In newspaper, just you have to study local news, means whatever is happening around you. So 4 step I have covered, just you have to follow these all points, and after that in next video I will tell you next step, and next video that will be notified. So keep watching, keep learning, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for next updates.